Welcome to English Bullet, the channel where we fire up your day with practical English and powerful motivation for your business and life. Having used English in business for over 20 years, I'm here to share what I've learned. The first bullet, past perfect. Before I got here, the river had frozen over, which means that I came here like 10 minutes ago and the river had already been frozen. Whether it had frozen an hour ago, 3 days ago, or a week ago, I don't know, but it happened before. So we have a sequence of events. It had frozen, then I came. So it's the past perfect for the sequence of events.
By the time I got here, it had frozen over.
Then we have the second bullet, which is past perfect continuous. Let's pretend that I came here and somebody was waiting for me. And I say, when I came here, her face was blue because she had been standing in the freezing wind waiting for me. She had been standing here since the very morning and waiting for me when I came 10 minutes ago. So it was a continuous process that happened before I came. And the third bullet, remember the state verbs also here. I say I had owned a car before it was stolen. We don't say I had been owning a car before it was stolen. So even in past perfect, state verbs never take continuous forms. There is this powerful saying, what you do in private eventually appears in public. Everything you had been doing in secret, the late night studying, the vocabulary practice, the extra reading, all of that effort had been building your foundation long before you even sat down for the exam. Everything you had done matters. Like the sentences, I had read many books before I wrote my own one. I hadn't been training really hard before I won my first match. So everything you had ever done takes you a step closer to your goal. If you like the episode, share it with your friends, share it with your family, subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more. Have a good one.